Standard 3, Subject EVS, Lesson number 4, Maps and Directions. Hello students, how are you? Up till now, we have learned that there are main four directions: east, west, north and south. East and west are opposite to each other. North and south are also opposite to each other. We have also learnt about how to use directions in reading the map. For example, the east of the map must be matched to the east of your surroundings. This is a very useful method, and by this method you can read any map. You can see there are many maps in your textbook. Dear students, we live in a house. Our houses are built on land. The smallest place where we live is called as a village. When many villages join together, our taluka has been formed. When talukas join together, our district has been formed. For example, Satara district. When many districts join together, one state has been formed, like our Maharashtra state. When many states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, etc., when joined together, one nation has been formed. And that nation is our country, India. When many nations join together, a big continent has been formed. This continent is a vast section of land on the earth. Along with the continent, there is a salty water in the form of oceans on the earth. Together, continents and oceans form our world. Now, let's see this map. This is on page number 25 of your textbook, and this is I am having Satara district map. Here I will tell you how to understand the map. Now see, to the right bottom there is an index. This index helps us to present or to get the information in the maps. This information is given in the form of symbols, pictures, signs and different shades of colors. This list is called as a index. Index is very important to understand the map. Now to the upper side of the index, we can see the directions. We know that we are using all the time the east is the direction where sun is rising. So with the help of this, we can understand the directions also in the map. We know that a district is composed of several talukas. A map of our district is shown here, and let's count how many talukas are there in this district. Satara district is having 11 number of talukas. We can see the black colored dots inside the talukas. These black dots are called as taluka headquarters, and there is a big black color dot with the outer circle is there. You can see that is a district headquarter, and that is placed in the Satara. The small dotted line we can see here is the taluka boundary, and the big dotted line we can see here is a district boundary. Children, you know that when many districts join together, a state will form. Now let's have a look at the map of our Maharashtra state. Here when we count, we will get 36 number of different districts. We can see to the right bottom an index, and also to the left of that index different directions. Now let's have a look at the index. In the index, first part is a state boundary, that is a big dotted line. Second is a district boundary, that is a small dotted line. Third is the state capital. The state capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai, which is shown in the map to the extreme left hand side. The second capital of Maharashtra is Nagpur, which is shown to the right hand side of the map. So now can you find your district on the map and color it? Now it is activity for today. You have to find your district on the map and color it. A box is given in the index to represent your district. Now color it in the same color. Write the name of district after my district in the index. Now this is all for today. In the next video, we will try to read the map of our country, that is India, and the map of world. So till then, stay home and study online. Bye bye.